Bro, it is snowing outside, chat. Bro, it's not hard as fuck, bro. Bro, it's not hard as fuck, bro. Look at this shit, and I'm going out in this shit, bro. It's level 2, bro. Oh shit, so I'm slapping this shit? The fuck? It's snowing bad as fuck, bro. And I gotta go in this shit, bro. This shit is crazy, bro. I'm slipping and sliding and shit already, and it just started. So that's some crazy shit. Like, chat, y'all think I'm gonna survive? I don't think I'm gonna survive. I ain't gonna lie. I feel like I'm gonna crash or some shit. I don't know. I feel like, but I can't say that because the mouth of the tongue is real. But like, chat, look, how am I gonna go and snow in this shit? I'm gonna get wet. I don't got no coat. You feel me? I'm a raw dog. This shit. I'm a raw dog, literally. Like, look at me. Already I have all this snow on me, bro. And this is a damn shit. I'm slow as fuck, chat. I feel like I'm slow as fuck for this, but shit, you gotta do content. I wanna do content, and I gotta do what I gotta do. Love y'all. Oh, no! I'm freezing. Come on, I'm freezing. I'm freeze, baby. Come on. I'm freeze, baby. I'm covered. Come on. God, I'm covered, man. I don't want to be stuck in the snow. Bro, I'm soaked, nigga. I'm soaked. Bro, I'm fucking soaked. I'm looking like Jack Frost. Like, what the fuck? Look like Jack Frost and shit. Like, what the fuck? Hell no. Look at this shit. Bro, I can't go nowhere. Fuck. Bro, I'm stuck in the snow. In a fucking carrier in the fucking snow, chat. What the fuck, chat? What the fuck? I can't even get out the snow. I'm fucking stuck. What the fuck? I'm stuck. I'm fucking stuck, chat. I don't know what to do. I'm stuck, chat. Chat, I'm stuck. I'm literally stuck. I'm sliding. Chat, I'm literally sliding. Fuck. Chat, I'm finally getting out this bitch, bro. Finally, bro, please don't, please, no, I'm right here, bitch, no. Oh, please, bro, I ain't do nothing, please. I'm going slow, please get me out. Oh my God, I'm right here, bro, come on, dude. Really, bro, I'm finally out that shit, chat. They just ruined my video, cuz, like, chat, I'm finally out it, man, and man. Chat, I feel like I just almost died. Bro, I started sliding, bro. My car going crazy right now, bro. Like, it really is being a jackass right now. I don't want to run properly. Like, you're acting like you're fucking from 2014, nigga. This is 2023 Forte. Bitch, why you not working like a 2023 Forte? Why you not going through this snow, all this technology, AI? Why the fuck are you cooking me? What the fuck? And this bitch behind me going fast as fuck. Why is you going that fast? Fuck. W day, chat. This shit, I ain't gonna lie. It's gone. The only thing that's alive is this. But it is still snowing outside, guys. It is really bad. It's a level 3, so I can't really be out like that. Like, if I gotta go home right now or like the police will pull me over and I could probably go to jail. So I gotta hurry up and get home, chat. I love you guys. And W video, I appreciate you guys for watching. This video wasn't long as I expected. But I love you guys, and more is to come. I'm not gonna lie, chat. More is to come. I love you, and I'm hit y'all guys up. You know I love y'all. Follow me, love Mars. Let's get it. We grinding to the top, bruh. We got it to the top. I'm finna hit 1,000, 500 to 1,000 this year. I'm really hyped and happy, bro. I love you guys, and keep being you, bro. Don't let nobody tell you different. That's all I'm always say that to y'all, bro. Be yourself, bro. I love y'all. Why is everybody driving without their blinkers? Put y'all fucking blinkers on. Why do y'all feel they need to drive with no blinkers? That shit is so unsafe, bro. Y'all do nothing. Like, every nigga I see drive with no blinkers, bro. Or no lights, bro. It is snowing outside. At that, bro, put your shit on, bro. I'm in this winter storm, bro. This shit ain't nothing. But I'm gonna stop saying that because this shit is something. But y'all stay safe out here. I love y'all. Support my YouTube videos that I've been posting and all my other content. And hit y'all up. Y'all can DM me at my official account or DM me on this account. I'm gonna get back to you later. Shit like this, like cars be stuck and shit. Like what the fuck? Like we all stuck. Like what the fuck? This is crazy, chat. It's really crazy, chat. People falling, getting down there sunk in the ground, bro. We never had this shit for. Why the fuck is she wearing a skirt? Hell no, chat. This girl wearing a whole skirt, chat. A whole skirt. So you're telling me it's a fucking snowstorm and niggas is cuddled up with their boobs fucking shit out of their girl and shit and I can't do shit? The fuck? That's bullshit, bro. Now I gotta go home. Sad day. I don't feel like yakking my shit, bro. I've been doing good this year. I haven't yacked my shit at once. And you feel me? Y'all get to cuddle up and fuck each other? You're telling me that? You feel me? In the fucking snowstorm, bro. In the fucking snowstorm. And I'm not taking this shit serious. I'm cold as fuck, though. I ain't gonna lie. Where's everybody else? Like, there's nobody here. The police 12 over there. You feel me? Like, let's ask that girl if she used her shit. I feel so good. Like, when I was a kid, I did not do shit. Like, my dad kept me in the house all the time, bro. Just sitting in that room all day. I didn't go to parties. I didn't do shit, bro. But now I get to explore, bro. And when I was in 12th grade, bro, I explored everything, bro. It's a snowstorm, boy. I'm a man, boy. Yeah. Shit! Fuck! Damn, bro! All this fucking snow. I loved it though. That was cool. That's how you snowboard in the storm. In the storm. I get the view today.
That shit crazy.
Thank you. Appreciate it. I think it's true.
I go to school with that nigga, bro.
Did I?
Yes.
Would you save your ex out the snow for $1 million? Hey, y'all need help shoveling? Y'all need shovel work? I'll help y'all with y'all snow. Y'all need shovel work? Alright, just let me know. Call me if y'all do. That's how you do a donut, buddy. Come on, get in the car, bud.